Lychee harvest is approaching the end of the season, a fruit so delectable that entire nations race to savor it before it vanishes. Welcome to Vietnam's lychee harvest, a fleeting summer phenomenon that ignites a global frenzy. In just 3 months, these ruby-red treasures are gone, leaving millions yearning for their sweet, juicy burst of flavor. From the emerald hills of Vietnam to the bustling markets of New York, Tokyo, and Paris, join us on a thrilling journey to uncover why the world can't get enough of Vietnam's lychees, and why you need to taste them before they're gone. In Vietnam, summer isn't just a season, it's a countdown. From late May to mid-July, the provinces of Bac Giang and Hai Duong become a whirlwind of activity as farmers race to harvest lychees at their peak. This isn't a leisurely task, it's a high-stakes sprint. Lychees ripen for only a few weeks, and once the season ends, there's no second chance until next year. Miss the window, and the fruit's signature sweetness fades, leaving behind a fleeting memory. Bac Giang, the beating heart of Vietnam's lychee production, cultivates over 29,000 hectares of orchards, yielding up to 300,000 tons of fruit in 2025. Every dawn, thousands of farmers flood the fields, armed with bamboo baskets and ladders, hand-picking each cluster before the tropical sun steals its freshness. The urgency is palpable. A single day's delay can mean the difference between a perfect lychee and one that won't make the cut for export. But it's not just about speed. These farmers are artists, selecting only the ripest, most vibrant fruits, those with a delicate balance of sweetness and tartness that make Vietnamese lychees legendary. This race against time isn't just about filling baskets, it's about preserving a fleeting gift of nature for the world to savor. Once picked, a lychee's clock is ticking. These delicate fruits demand immediate care to lock in their juicy perfection. Within hours of harvest, workers rush the fruit to cooling stations, where they're gently washed and sorted by hand. Only the best, those with flawless, rosy-red skins and succulent flesh, are packed into foam boxes with ice, ready for a journey that spans continents. Vietnam's lychee industry has mastered this high-speed ballet. In 2025, over 16,000 hectares of orchards meet Viet Gap standards, ensuring sustainable farming practices, while 204 hectares achieve Global Gap certification, a gold standard for safety and quality demanded by markets like the EU and Japan. For the USA and Japan, lychees undergo rigorous treatments like irradiation or vapor heat to meet stringent biosecurity rules, ensuring every fruit is safe and pristine. This isn't just logistics, it's a commitment to excellence. Processing plants hum with activity, using cutting-edge technology to preserve flavor while meeting international standards. In Bac Giang, some facilities can process thousands of tons daily, ensuring lychees reach Tokyo or Paris within 48 hours of harvest. The result? A fruit that tastes as fresh as the moment it left the tree, even after crossing oceans. The stakes are high, one misstep in cooling or transport, and an entire shipment could lose its magic. This precision is why Vietnamese lychees are trusted by the world's most discerning markets, from Michelin-starred restaurants in France to high-end grocers in New York. Vietnamese lychees don't just satisfy taste buds, they spark a global craze. In 2025, Vietnam exports over 100,000 tons of fresh lychees, with thousands of tons landing weekly in the USA, Japan, and the EU. China, the largest market, devours up to 70,000 tons, while premium destinations like Tokyo and Paris clamor for their share. The numbers are staggering, but the story is even bigger. These lychees are a phenomenon, uniting food lovers across borders.
ベトナムのライチは去年から売り始めました。 で去年は5トンほど入荷させていただいたんですけども、本当に少ない量だったんですけれども。
Le litchi vietnamien. Et quand j'ai vu les photos que Lynn m'a envoyées, je le trouvais déjà très beau. Mais là où j'ai été époustouflé, c'est par la taille du litchi, qui est vraiment exceptionnel.
Donc il y a ici des merveilleux litchis qui sont très juteux, bien fruités, avec un bon goût du Vietnam comme on les aime et comme on peut en manger sur place. Voilà, donc ils sont très beaux et on est ravis d'en manger ici. Voilà, donc des excellents litchis du Vietnam.
In the USA, Vietnamese American distributors like LV Food Supply bring lychees to 40 states, from bustling H-Mart stores in Texas to Asian markets in California. Customers plan their summers around the brief lychee season, knowing it's a now or never treat. In Japan, where quality reigns supreme, Vietnamese lychees have become a coveted delicacy, praised for their perfect texture and flavor. Japan's trust in Vietnam's self-monitoring processes speaks volumes about the industry's reliability. In the EU, particularly France, lychees from Haidian's Thanh region are a star at markets like Cho Viet Phap in Paris. European chefs incorporate them into desserts, cocktails, and even savory dishes, celebrating their versatility. On social media, influencers from Seattle to Osaka fuel the hype, posting videos of peeling lychees, blending them into smoothies, or pairing them with sushi. But the short season adds urgency. Fans lament missing out, as shelves empty faster than they can restock. This global love affair isn't just about taste, it's about chasing a fleeting moment of perfection. Beyond the numbers, lychees are woven into Vietnam's soul. In Luc Nan, the harvest isn't just work, it's a celebration of heritage. The annual Lychee Festival transforms the region into a vibrant hub, where locals and tourists gather to pick fruit, sample lychee-infused treats, and dance to traditional music. Families share meals under the shade of lychee trees, their laughter echoing the joy of a bountiful season. For farmers, every fruit is a testament to their resilience and pride. This cultural connection extends to innovation. Vietnamese entrepreneurs are reimagining lychees, creating dried snacks, refreshing juices, and frozen products that capture the fruit's essence year-round. These innovations are reaching new markets, from Australia to the Middle East, sharing Vietnam's story with every bite. At the festival, visitors from Japan and Europe marvel at dishes like lychee tea or lychee sorbet, discovering a fruit that's both a delicacy and a cultural ambassador. The fleeting nature of the season amplifies its magic. Locals know that once July ends, the orchards fall silent, and the wait for next year begins. This scarcity makes every lychee a cherished gift, a reminder of the beauty in life's brief moments. As the 2025 lychee season races to its close, processing plants are investing in freeze-drying and canning technologies, ensuring lychees can delight consumers long after the harvest ends. At the 2025 Giang Trade Promotion Conference, businesses signed deals to expand exports, aiming to contribute to Vietnam's $70 billion agricultural export goal. Yet, the heart of this industry remains its people. Farmers who rise before dawn, workers who pack each fruit with care, and communities who celebrate their harvest with open hearts, they are the soul of Vietnam's lychee story. Their dedication ensures that this tiny fruit will continue to captivate the world, one sweet bite at a time. The short season may end, but its legacy endures. Vietnamese lychees are more than a fruit, they're a symbol of innovation, tradition, and global connection, proving that even the briefest moments can leave a lasting impact. The Vietnamese lychee season is a fleeting burst of flavor, gone in the blink of an eye. But its journey, from the orchards of Bac Giang to the tables of New York, Tokyo, and Paris, is a story of passion and precision. Don't let this season pass you by. Seek out Vietnamese lychees at your local market, visit Vietnam to experience the harvest firsthand, or share your love for this fruit in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us for more stories of the flavors lighting up the world. Until next season, savor the sweetness while it lasts.